You here on Eyewitness News. Back with us on a Friday evening, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. You guys set for the weekend?
You know what it's time for the Law on You, but guess what else is going to be going on all weekend?
The Law on You hotline party?
You know it.
How did I guess?
He's going to be blowing. That's his thing.
Look at that face of excitement over there, Greg. He loves the hotline.
Sheer joy.
Big hotline fan. All right, here's our question tonight. And this involves a situation involving a landlord and conducting some background checks. I am a landlord and I want to run background checks on tenants. Is that okay? What can Sam in Scranton do?
Yes. Sam, you can run background checks on your tenants. You absolutely have the ability to screen the tenants that are going into your apartment. You can run a background check on them. You can do a credit check on them. You can do a criminal check on them. You could do all of the above. I think the answer is yes.
Right, and I think if you're a landlord and you own an apartment, you owe it to yourself and the other tenants to do that. And when you do your intake, you should probably have an authorization that you have the prospective tenants execute. That gives you the ability to look into their credit, to look into their criminal, protect yourself by having some sort of written document that says, hey, I'm checking you out. I want to make sure what you're telling me is correct. You know, check references. All that stuff makes a lot of sense because it makes your life a lot easier, and then it makes the tenants' lives a lot better, and you're not dealing with evictions and unhappy tenants.
You guys are like legal machines.
Oh,
the answers are fast, they're furious, they're accurate.
Yeah, let me tell you, as opposed to yesterday's question, this one was clear.
This
one was easy.
It was like a softball for you.
Yeah, this was the softball.
All right, our viewers that want to get you a question, how can they do that?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
And Greg, Greg made a great point. Landlords, you should be doing this. And if there's somebody who doesn't want to comply with a simple background check or criminal check or credit check, you shouldn't be renting to them.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. I know it's time to get fired up for the Saturday morning show we have coming up tomorrow. We'll see you then. PAHomepage.com and the Law on You hotline, 2 ways to get a question on the show.